So over here, let me just go around onto the task view right here, just like this. And over here, you can see the tasks that I have. So let's say what I want to do is I want to, let's say, for example, mark certain progress level for this particular task because I may not have completed all of it. In that case, I can simply right click and then choose the progress for it. Right now, you can see that it is in 0%, but I can, let's say, for example, say it's 75% complete. So now when I go around and select this particular task, you can see that it is 75% complete right here. Similarly, I can go around over here as well and choose the different completion level for that particular task right here, so that once you go on to those particular tasks right here, you know like how much you have completed out right here, just like this. So you can also go around and mark it as complete right here, just like this, or mark it as not complete. Go around onto 100% complete and it is marked as completed. 75% right here and it is not marked as completed, but you have an indication of how much has been done. So that is how you can go ahead and set out task progress inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.